Good morning, everybody. Today is the 26th, last day of school. Holy smokes, I can't believe we made it through a whole year. This is your last video announcement for the year. Super cool. Let's see, today is the 26th, so let's take a look at what we have coming up for the summer. You see that I've attached this document to your email. It contains all of the information for summer camp stuff, but additionally, if you go out to www.unit11music.weebly.com, it'll take you to our band and choir website. If you click on the resources and calendar tab, hey look, there's a handy dandy calendar with all of our events for the upcoming school year. Look at that. Who's organized? We are. Anyway, we put those out there so that you can see what's coming up for the coming school year, and you can put them in your calendar and request off and yada yada yada. So anyway, there you go. Let's see. Today is the 26th. New members for marching band. So that's 8th graders and anybody joining marching band from high school for the first time. There's a orientation camp today, 3:30 to 5:30. I'm ordering pizza for 5:30, so don't plan on having supper unless you really don't like Casey's Pizza, I guess. That'll be at the high school band room. Let's see, on the 31st, high schoolers, not 8th graders going into high school, there's the Memorial Day Parade and Ceremony. Remember that we are warming up at 10 a.m. at the junior high band room. Carpool there and carpool away from there as well. We will bus you to the parade, to the cemetery, and then back to the school from the cemetery, but then after that you're on your own for rides. Traditionally, we're back at the junior high around 11:45, so we'll see how that goes this year. July, let's see, high school drumline camp is the week of the 19th through the 23rd. You see that's in the evening from 6 to 8. Marching band camp is the following week, the 26th through the 30th, as well as Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of the next week, the 4th, 5th, and 6th. The reason we're not going to go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, rather than Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, is because Modulation Show Choir Retreat is going on the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, and they have that space booked, so we just shifted that stuff around a little bit. You see, additionally, we've got the Hi-Fi Retreat, which is really just a lock-in. 5th grade beginning band lessons. Quiet, please, and thank you. You see that I have sent that. You guys can come in, just be quiet. Thanks. There's various times for that as well. There is no junior high back-to-school band, so for my 6th graders, 7th graders, 8th graders, there won't be any back-to-school band this summer just because of the way this summer is working out, so don't expect on that. Junior high show choir kids, there's camp on the 10th and 11th. I don't know exactly what time. Mr. Schaefer will send that out. School comes back on the 16th. Woohoo! I do not make us have marching band rehearsal that first day of school. I give it to you for free and let you kind of get into the swing of things. Our first marching band rehearsal will be Wednesday the 18th at 7:15. Holy smokes, that's early. You can do it. I believe in you. If getting a ride is an issue, please let me know and we'll set up a carpool for you. Let's see, our tentative athletic preview night is going to be on the 20th, so that's cool. And you see that every Monday, Wednesday, Friday from there on out, we have marching band rehearsal in the mornings. So speaking of recurring rehearsals, not sure what that typo is right there. Oh well. Every Monday, starting the 18th, every Monday, ooh, shenanigans. I typoed here. I'll fix this before I send it out. Monday, Wednesday, Friday will be morning marching band rehearsals. Also, starting mid-October, you see we've got jazz band for high school and then junior high, and then you see we have show choir stuff. Mr. Schaefer hasn't set a firm date as to when he wants the combo to start rehearsing there, so once we know that, we'll communicate that out to you. But anyway, this will be super helpful for you. Like I said, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is going to be morning marching band stuff until the end of the marching season. I will update that before I send it out. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm super stoked. We've got quite a few 8th graders coming in to be freshmen this year, and it's going to be a lot of fun for marching band. If your kids have not been sharing the clues that I've been giving them as to the show topic, ask them about it because there's some interesting clues this year. They're kind of weird. All right, you guys, that's it. Over and out.